Welcome guys, welcome to this YouTube channel guys. I just have to film this video for you guys. Welcome. My name is Footwork Boom and I do dance tutorial and dance challenges for you guys to see how to dance, how to dance. So this is the training dance right now called Monster. Yeah. It's I think it's a movie, yeah. It's currently trending, so I just have to do it for you guys. Currently trending, it's a movie. Although I've not watched the movie, I think I'm going to watch it too. You guys should watch that movie so you can know how this dance feels. By the way, doing it whenever they're doing it in the movie. Something like that. So let's get right into the dance. To increase the subscribe to the channel, can you subscribe down below? Like this video and share to your friends, and I'll see you on my screen. Now, the first step on this challenge is you slide forward like hey. Remember, slide forward. Hey. Your right hand, this is your right hand, this is your left hand. So right hand will be at the back of your head. Please. Hey. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Hey. I want when you're sliding, make sure you put your leg wide. So hey. See me guys, please. 5, 6, 7, 8. Hey. Now that's the first step, guys. Now the second step in this challenge is what you do. Hey. Close your leg, you go to this side. 5, 6, 7, 8. Hey, drop your feet. Let's go, guys. From start. 5, 6, 7, 8. Hey, drop your feet. Are you there, guys? Right back. Okay, let's go, guys. 5, 6, 7, 8. Hey, drop your feet. Again, together. 5, 6, 7, 8. Hey, drop your feet. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Hey, drop your feet. So, after you do this side, you jump forward, jump backward. So you jump to the right, jump to the left. So jump to the right, jump to the left. Let's go from the start. 5, 6, 7, slide. Hey, jump to your right, jump to your left. You got that. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. You go. Hey, drop your feet. I guess in guys. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Hey, drop your feet. So guys, hope you get this challenge. Remember, don't forget to subscribe down below. Subscribe for me, guys. Let's go, guys. Let's go. One more time from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, go. Hey, drop your feet. So guys, once you jump to the right, to the left, next thing you do you mash to this side, then you mash to this side. Something like this. Like the former teacher of ballet dance. Yeah, this dance. Those hands are up like this. So I'm doing aggressive this time. Please drag it to this side. Drag it to this side. Drag it to this side. So let's go. Everything from the start. 5, 6, 7, go. Hey, jump it. I sing guys 3 times. Let's go. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, go. Hey, jump it. You're following, guys. You're following. Now, after once you're button that step, move to the next. What I do is 1, 2, 3. At the end of the 3, you go down, you climb 1, 2, push back, jump forward, bend your leg. Let's go. So it's next step is 1, 2, 3, go down, 1, 2, jump back, jump forward, bend your leg. Okay, let's go. 5, 6 from the start. 5, 6, 7, go. Hey, jump it. Yeah. Hey. I think guys, just something like that. So it's 1, 2, 3, go down, 1, 2, jump back, push forward, bend the leg. So go, let's go one more time before we move on the next step. 5, 6, 7, 8. Hey, just eat. Exactly, guys. So once after I finish this move, once you bend your leg like this, next move is to do march back, then jump forward. So it's I get in. So it's let's go together. 5, 6, 7. Only this step. 5, 6, 7. Let's go. It's 1, 2, 3, go. Then you slide your hand like this. Turn around. Let's go when you start. When you start. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7. Go. Hey, sit down, feet. Okay, jump back, jump forward. It's okay. Let's go one more time. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7. Go. Hey, your feet. One more time from the beginning. One more time, guys. Let's go. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7. Go. Hey, your feet. So do this, you toss your hand around and you kick in around. Once you turn around, you do 1, 2, 3, 4. Just follow me. 1, 2, 3, 4. If I do 1, 2, 3, 4. Next of this you do run backward. I think guys, so you just run backward. But you are in one place. And I have to go like this. So it's I think guys, don't dance it up to this extent, guys. Let's go. 5 from the beginning. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7. Hey, hey, just eat. So that's the dance end, guys. If I do this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You do 1, 2, 3, 4. And just end it, guys. So that's the dance end, guys. Monster tutorial, guys. Monster tutorial, guys. So let's do this dance one more time again. One more time, guys. One more time. From the start, I just want to make this video a quick video. If you want a detailed explanation, kindly comment in the comment section, guys. Let's do it more detailed for you. Let's go one more time. For everybody, let's go. 5, 1, 5, 6, 7, go. Hey, your feet. Hey, what's your hands? I need them. Hey, don't. That's dance prayer, guys. That's dance challenge. Kindly like this video, subscribe to this channel, share to your friends in case you want to watch more of these tutorials. Watch 2 videos over here, and don't forget to tag me your videos when I post your videos. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Let's go. Hey, shall eat.